Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing wonderfully well today. So this is officially the very first video I have filmed in my brand new location. I moved to Canberra and this is my new room. Funny story is, this is actually just my backdrop that I took with me from Sydney. I just wanted to sit down today and do my makeup because it has been a long time since I have done just a classic makeup video. I did actually do a poll on Instagram to see if you guys wanted me to do a smoky eye or a classic glam look, and everyone's voting for classic glam, but I'm going out tonight and I really just want to do a smoky eye, so I'm really sorry, but I'm not paying attention to any of you today. So without further ado, let's jump on into it. So to start off my look, I'm going in with some green tea limited edition skincare faves from Innisfree. And I am just starting off by cleansing my skin with their Micellar oil water, just to make sure that I am starting on a clean base. And then I am going in with this limited edition green tea seed serum, which is actually double the regular size. And I am just applying that all over my face and neck. Next up, I'm going in with the Green Tea Balancing Skin EX to tone my face. These skincare products are actually a part of their current #PlayGreen campaign, which is all about doing your bit for the environment by swapping things like tissues for hankies and plastic bags for reusable totes. And you can actually get a free PlayGreen Eco Hanky with any purchase of their limited edition products at the moment. And if you spend over $90, you can get a free tote bag. And then I'm finishing up the skin by moisturizing with the Innisfree Green Tea Balancing Lotion. And my favorite product of all, the Green Tea Lip Balm, which I am currently obsessed with. It has made such a difference to the quality of my lips. They were so dry last week and now they are completely, perfectly moisturized. I'm so happy with this product. Moving on to makeup now, I am starting off with my favorite primer of the moment, which is from Fenty Beauty. As you can see, I am really down to the dregs with this one, and considering how many primers I own, it just goes to show how amazing it is. I am determined to use every single last drop of this. I love it so much. For foundation, I'm going in with my NARS Sheer Glow in the shade Copenhagen. This is honestly my all-time favorite foundation at the moment, as it leaves your skin looking super fresh and glowy while still has an amazing coverage. It's also perfect if you have dry skin like me. And I'm just blending all of that in with a Real Technique sponge. Now let me tell you, this Zoeva Concealer Spectrum palette is amazing. I always use it on my spots as the coverage is really good and you can mix the colors together to get your perfect shade. Then just following on with my Fenty concealer, which is another current favorite at the Mo, just to brighten up under my eyes and the central areas of my face. And I am blending that out once again with my sponge. To set my face now, I'm going in with my trusty Rimmel Stay Matte Translucent Powder, which has never let me down. I've been using it for so long. It's just one of those really reliable products and is also super affordable. And then it's time for bronzer. And as you can see, I have more than loved this Too Faced Sweethearts bronzer. I also think this is the deepest I've hit pan on a product in a very long time, if not ever. Keeping with the Too Faced trend now, I'm popping a bit of peach blur onto the cheeks. And then going in with this Hourglass highlighter stick, which I am applying directly and then blending it out with the warmth of my fingertips. I find this looks super glowy and natural, but it's not quite as intense as I would like. So I am also going to top off the highlighter with this gorgeous powder highlight, once again from Too Faced. We're really going hard on the Too Faced today. Now, of course, it wouldn't be a Steph makeup look without reaching for my Benefit brow products. So I'm going in with my Precisely My Brow in the shade number 3, and I'm going for a defined yet slightly fluffy brow, so I'm really concentrating on using small, delicate strokes. And then just setting it all in place using my Benefit Ready Set Brow, which I am obsessed with. For the eyes now, I'm going in with this gorgeous palette from NARS, which I definitely don't use enough. I really wanted to create a smoky eye today, but couldn't resist the sparkles, so this was really just made up as I went along. In the end, I went with a warm tone smoky eye with a sparkle in the center, and then worked the darker shade into the outer corner to almost mimic a smoked out wing. I adored how this eye look turned out, and with a touch of winged liner from FENTY and some Benefit false lashes, I think it turned out so pretty. Also, am I the only one who rocks out to Disney when waiting for their lash glue to dry? Because, yeah.
Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? Dazzling place I never knew, but when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear.
Finishing up the eyes now with a coat of Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and then we are on to the lips. First of all, I'm going in with this pale pink Miranesi, I think that's how you say it, lip liner, and then topping it all off with a FENTY gloss bomb in the shade Fussy. I love wearing glosses, but my hair always gets stuck to my lips, so I try and save it for ponytail days only, so this look was perfect. I also tapped a tiny bit of the shadow I put in the corner of my eyes on the center of my lip to tie in the sparkles, and that is the makeup look complete. Also, in the spirit of Innisfree and play green, I thought this ponytail would look great, finished off with one of the hankies tied around like a scrunchie. They come in 3 different designs, and surprisingly, I went for the green, which I thought looked really cute with this makeup look. And with my handkerchief in my hair, that is the entire look finished. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I am absolutely obsessed right now with wearing a high ponytail with my hair extensions in and putting like a scarf or a handkerchief around my ponytail. It's just a little bit more thick than a scrunchie, and I think it looks super cute and has an even nicer effect. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video with the handkerchief in my hair. That is the entire look finished. If you did enjoy, please don't forget to go give a massive thumbs up to let me know, because I haven't done a makeup tutorial in quite a while and I've been really enjoying getting back into it. If you would like to go check out the Innisfree products, there is a link down below in the description box, so you can go click on that and find them all there. And I think that is everything. So I will see you guys next time with another video.